This 2024 Keystone Cougar 3.2 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 35 feet 8 inches in length and features a Driftwood interior, sleeps 10, TV antenna, smoke detector, microwave, air conditioning, spare tire kit, self-contained, DVD player, external shower, skylight, LP detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Cougar 3.2 BHS is 9,360 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.